Nadia Campbell and I have lived experience of a mental health condition. I'm a consumer consultant with this team. To be dialogical is to understand and respond without judgment and with openness, hospitality and curiosity to another person. Being dialogical conflates well with concepts like mindfulness. The range of voices in the network meetings are essentially espoused. Whether we hear them, allow them to inform us and contribute, or choose to ignore, disregard, or silence some of them, depends on our ability to listen. It is noted there are parallels with Indigenous cultures in terms of extended familial and community relationships. This argues well for supporting networks, groups, and communities. Open dialogue has received acclaim for excellent functional and symptomatic outcomes and low usage of psychotropic medications. This has caused the credibility of pharmaceutical companies with their far-reaching influence and literature to be undermined. As clinicians adapted to this new way of working, they became aware of a big shift, astounding outcomes. The Finnish therapists are clear about its definition. Open dialogue is more than a method. It is a way to think and discuss, to be equal and to respect each other. The Finnish therapists stress the importance of delineating their way of working from traditional Western psychiatry, the value of clinician training, and the unique organisational and administrative practices that support outcomes. It offers assurance for the dialogical exchange of humans that exists beyond the content of their communications. There is a dialogical space that shapes the whole relational encounter. Therapists have found the dialogical approach to be a most effective way of working with families who have experienced persistent problems. It seems that the facilitation of polyphonic voices or many melodies in therapy can create a shift in the problem by helping family members to become more inquisitive and realize other perspectives. This allows for an acceptance of the complexity of people's lives and recognize that the solutions may not always be apparent, but believe that the answers or a way to develop can emerge in essence from conversation. Collaborative therapy delivered in the family home as a real-world interventional setting has broad appeal and application. It is embraced by family therapists, with dialogue being an instinctive human capacity, as natural as the dialogue between a mother and baby. Sustainability depends on the support of the organisation and the creation of a layered system of supervision and reflective practice. Secular and Arnkel make the point that dialogicity is to be experienced, not grasped cognitively and learned as a technical skill. In order to maintain standards with the rest of the developed world, Australia is in a great position to embrace this powerful extension and real alternative in models. It is an innovative game changer with its democratic, humanistic, person-centred features, as well as long-run cost-saving benefits. I recommend viewing the documentary Open Dialogue, an alternative Finnish approach to healing psychosis, made by US filmmaker Daniel Makler, which can be found on YouTube.